Hi, good evening. Welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty consolidation continues. Nifty futures test levels of 18,820 on intraday basis, closed positive for the day. Nifty on daily charts, major supports around 18,500 and resistance around 18,830 to 18,900 zones. Bank Nifty 2 has been consolidating. Nifty major supports placed around 43,600, resistance at 44,500. Break below 43,600 will invite profit booking, above 44,500 to see demand zones, and it can take index to higher levels. Interesting chart setups. Reliance Industries add accumulate on dips for target of 2610 to 2640. Stop loss 2480. Ashok Leyland add accumulate for a target of 165 to 174. Stop loss can be placed around 151. Thanks for watching. Do like, share. Don't forget to press the subscribe button to get the market updates. Press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.